Most of the people run their anime drawing right here. Today I will show you how to draw Gojo Satoru properly step by step. No shortcuts, no confusion. Let's begin. First I draw one straight line for the face direction, then I add two more lines for eyes. This line helps me to keep everything balanced. Don't worry about perfection, keep your hand relaxed. Now I start drawing the eyes. I draw them freehand without measuring too much. I focus the upper lid first, then slowly add the lower part. Gojo's eyes are calm but powerful, so keep them sharp. Use this line to keep the left eye in a correct position. This line will save your left eye drawing, so don't skip it. Now slowly draw the left eye just like a right one. Next, I added a small structure for the jawline, not too sharp, not too rounded. Then I draw the ears, matching them to the eye level. Now I draw a guideline for hairs. After that, I start drawing hair slowly. At that point, you can pause the video and take time to copy my drawing. I don't explain much here because this part is all about observing and copying. Now I draw the nose using the same guideline that I made at the beginning. I keep the nose very simple with the light lines so that it stays clean and anime styled. First draw a guideline for the lips, then I slowly draw the lip on top of the line. Now I move to the neck part and draw some simple guidelines for neck and shoulder. After that, I add some small detail around his eyes and draw a scarf on his forehead. And now we can start the shading. I always start the shading from the eyes. So I use alcohol marker to color the eye pupil. While shading the hairs, focus on hair details and direction. There are no need to overthink it. Just observe and copy the strokes. Then I shade the eyebrow and a scarf mark on his forehead. I wonder if you moved. Hope everything is going amazing for you, and you're not feeling blue. I feel the rain pour down my face, but that's alright. I smile. Next, I shade the jawline area. In the jawline area where the cheeks touch the neck, I shade it a bit darker to make the face look more sharp. And I'm trying to stop. God, I'm feeling good. Yeah, but when off I go. Really afternoon, it's a best boy. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. Yeah, but when off. After that, I draw guideline for neck shadow. I shade the neck in two layers. First layer with a low pressure, and the second layer with silently more pressure.
Finally, I shade the t-shirt darker to finish the drawing. Now take a look.
I can't ever be the Backstreet boy you want me to. I just can't measure up, no, not in sync with the fashion. I ain't got the passion, never gonna be what you want.